Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to configure Outlook view settings. The first thing you will do is open Outlook. There, click on the View menu. You will have some options. First, in the Messages section, configure whether the messages will be seen in conversation mode or used individually. This change takes effect immediately. Additionally, define whether you will see the preview of each email received or not for a cleaner design. After that, in the Layout section, you have various alternatives for use. Here you can use the classic ribbon or the simplified one, which is the most current. In the Folder panel and Reading panel, you can show or hide the Outlook side menus or the reading position of your emails. Additionally, you have some extra functions that allow you to optimize the use of your application. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.